introduce myself. My name is Yeni Ratnasari. I am the second of two siblings. I am 20 years old. I was born in Banyuwangi. Cause I am the only doctor in my family, so my dad loved me so much. I grew up for 19 years in Banyuwangi before I moved to Malang. My hobby is favorite, like writing, reading, and listen to music. I also really like coffee, ma'am. Usually, I drink coffee when I am studying. I also like neatness. If something is messy, I will feel this because I have been taught to be science, to be neat science. I was little. Likewise, when I went to I am graduate of the Tegalsari One State Vocational High School. I majored in accounting. I also had an internship 3 months before I decided to study in college because of the support that given by my parents. I decided to study in Malang, and the Indonesian language and literature education study program is my choice. Even though it is very different from the previous major, and enjoy it this time where I have where I had to learn and learn and discover new things. Taken in Indonesian language and literature education study program, it was never a dream for me because I still like accounting. However, my parents wanted me to my study language. I just chose to go along. While I was in Malang, of course, a lot of change happened, and this was a new things in my life. Now I live in Tidar Sukun. I am I am an active student in class 23. I am studying for Monday to Thursday. I will prepare my clothes and my book at night before the class starts the next day, and I will sleep early so I wake up at 3 a.m. Since being in Malang, I have always made it a habit to pray the midnight prayer. Need and not sleep and not sleep until it is time for subuh. After that, I will clean the house, then take a shower and get ready to go to campus. After routine for from campus, I take shower and then to the suhur prayer. After praying, I take a nap from my well and wake up to pray to Ashar. In the afternoon, I usually review the lesson that I read not on campus or something I read book. What time is Maghrib? I usually gather with my family for Jama'ah and read the Quran and Hadith because that's mandatory habit in the heart where I live in now. So spiritually, of course, I experienced many changes when I was in Malang. Likewise, when it's time to Isha, I also do Jama'ah with them. When I have done all the workshop, I usually call my parents and chat with them. Of course, it's not for every day because sometimes there are busy, so they cannot be contacted. However, every night I always make it a habit to learn new things, even though they are not related to academic matters. I spend rest of the evening watching educational videos on YouTube until I go to sleep. My bedtime is always dim same. It's 10 p. It's 10 p.m. uh, cause I don't really like staying up late. So that's all my story, and the activity that usually do in my daily. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Audio Jungle.